Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In the class one took, we rotated through every station 3 times, but, as my instructor explained, you can expect to typically spend a total of 25 to 30 minutes walking or running on the treadmill, broken up into shorter blocks, and the rest of the class time split between the indoor rower and the weight room.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The biggest misconception is that you need to be in good shape or fit in order to do an Orangetheory workout, Jamie said. The truth is that our workout is geared for all levels of fitness, and everyone is encouraged to go at their own pace. It's true.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.